Wait, so are we recording?
Just now. The birds are so loud.
No.
My baby birds are annoying.
Well, if you cover them with a sheet, they'll stop.
No, but I don't want to. They're part of my
Okay.
ambiance, I guess. Guess what we got, guys?
Jackie.
Jack in the Cracks. He's already started.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't wait.
I got a medium curly fry and a spicy chicken sandwich with some ranch.
We got the exact same thing. Do you have cheese in you?
No.
I got cheese in mine.
You do you, boo-boo. And the dog is looking at us, and we got some little ranches.
Let's save a few fries for the dog. Curly fries. Not the best.
I had a junk food craving.
I haven't had junk food in a while either.
I haven't had a chicken sandwich in a while. And Chick-fil-A is supposed to be coming to Vegas soon. I can't wait.
Gotta get that pickled chicken.
The what?
Is it? They use like pickle juice
Do they really?
to marinate it. Yeah.
What? I did not know this.
No.
I don't know enough about Chick-fil-A. I had it one time.
I've never had it.
It's in California. Oh, I got a French fry. Is that lucky?
Make a wish.
I don't know where to put this. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I got a French fry too.
What? Oh my god, this shit is like almost burned.
Wow. That almost looks like a burger.
It looks brown. Is this chicken now? Look at this. That is so dark. That is the darkest.
Maybe a chicken and a cow had a baby.
That is so dark.
You know that got refried.
Extra crisp.
Okay.
As long as it's,
As long as it's not dry.
it's alright in the inside. It's just dork. I like only get chicken sandwiches.
Really?
Yeah. Well, not, I mean, once in a long, like In-N-Out, obviously they don't have chicken sandwich. I'll eat beef there, but I don't eat beef that much anymore.
Is
I
it the
prefer
taste or?
chicken and fish. I don't know.
It's true. I mean, you know, me too. Like, I'd rather have grilled chicken than a grilled steak.
Really?
Yeah, even carne asada. Like, I like carne asada, but I'll take grilled chicken over carne asada.
And I'm not big on soda, so I have water. Water.
Ooh, I like those crispy bits.
Margo!
I don't know.
Margo!
I'm eating French fries and I lost track of my thought.
Get your life together. I feel like I have a bunch of little itty bitty baby French fries.
Like they're already close and they just gave us the.
They're
before
not.
They put the new fries.
It is only 6:27. Jack and the mother, get your life together.
Maybe I'll make a replica recipe of it and try it like that.
It will never be the same. God damn it, all these teeny baby bopper fries. This is not the business right now. Is there some kind of quality control? Are you putting ketchup on every single fry?
Yeah. I did hot sauce first. Well, that's an onion.
You got an onion ring?
No, I said it wasn't onion.
Oh.
I wasn't recording it when I was putting hot sauce on it first.
You bet.
And I thought this was hot sauce, but a coffee before.
Sriracha?
Yeah, someone recommended it. You know what? I didn't like it.
Whoever recommended Michael to put sriracha in his coffee, can you not? Because that's gross and weird.
It was the internet.
Ugh, the internet.
I was like, oh, okay, I'll try.
All these hipsters and their new coffees.
Right. But I did put not hot sauce anymore, but chili powder. I think it was poblano or paprika, and it actually tasted good.
In your coffee?
I like hot stuff, so yeah.
In hot coffee?
It was smoky. I had to make the coffee have like a smoky, hot, like literally hot, like spicy flavor. It was good.
That's very interesting. Do you put sugar in it and stuff
oh yeah,
too?
yeah, sugar and chocolate. Chocolate powder, cocoa powder.
How am I supposed to eat these little baby things? Like, none of them are attached to an entire fry. They're all like little hash browns or something. I don't know. This is annoying. Where's my big curly fries? No! Oh. I almost dropped my fries. The dog would have ate them.
Oh, and I forgot. I'm gonna save this one for.
Then are you saving that one for later? What the fuck?
Oh no, for him.
Mm-mm.
No.
I mean, I guess if you want to.
Thanks.
I'm gonna eat one little baby fry by itself 100 times. I think I needed this chicken sandwich in my life. Next week I'm going to Chicago.
Oh, cool.
They have Chick-fil-A's there. My friend's already planning that part. She's like, we gotta go to Chick-fil-A. It's like up from the house, and if something happens, we meet at the Chick-fil-A. She's so funny.
Oh my gosh, my chicken's tiny. And it's also like super roasted.
That is the darkest chicken sandwich I have ever seen. I didn't realize you had not taken a bite of your chicken sandwich yet.
Still good inside.
Exactly, right? Isn't that weird? What's up with that?
Put a lot of lettuce in this one.
Need some more ranch.
I did not like the experience.
Well,
Why so serious?
it squirted on me. Ugh. The fuck? Something's leaking. Oh my god, where's it coming from? It's all over my pants. Oh, looks like a baby puked on me.
No.
That's it. Getting rid of that. Use the box thing again. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. Well, I mean, I guess I had to throw this in the washer anyway, so. It's all over my hand.
It's really delicious. been a long time since I had a chicken burger.
Come here. Hi. Don't worry, out there, she's not going to eat it. She just wants to smell it before I get some kind of, you're an animal abuser. Okay. You can smell it again. But she will take the turkey from my turkey sandwiches. You already finished?
You know what I forgot? Yeah.
What did you drop on your stuff?
Chicken jaw juice.
Are we pigs? Like, what the fuck?
Tomato chicken juice. Okay, I'm gonna give a fried to Popeye. It's vegetarian. Okay.
Super fried.
Oh, over here. Oh, thank you. Well, also, Popeye, here's the fry. Look over here. There you go.
Wow, wow, wow.
Move it. I mean, excuse me, please.
Ashes. Bless you, Popeye.
Très magnifique.
I know, like, was that some 5-star shit or what?
Even though it was crispy on the outside. Okay, it was kind of burnt on the outside. Just the look of it, but it tasted good though.
Ashes? I don't have any more, I promise. I don't have any more.
Does she remember me?
Thanks for watching us eat like a couple of trash compactors. Because we were eating junk food. That chicken sandwich hit the spot though. I've been wanting a chicken sandwich for a while. And I think it's
even
because
I didn't like the bitty parts of fries. You know, kind of my favorite.
I like when they're long curly fries or they're like, you know, like long or big.
Because you don't have to like dip one
Little
piece after
piece.
another.
Ugh, so annoying.
Since we're recording, I didn't do my regular up.
Why didn't you? That's what the people want to see. That's what these folks came here for.
Well, maybe they'll get it next time.
Popeye always wants to be part of some videos. Popeye.
Poppies.
Okay, old man. Little oldie. So, yep. Stay tuned for watching us eat again.
Oui. Merci beaucoup.
I'm full as hell.
I could go for a buckle.
Yeah, me too. I'm just kidding. You can if you want to.
Oh, merci.
See you next time.
Au revoir, merci. Adios.